Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you how to get a TESTFLIGHT invitation code. Install TESTFLIGHT from the App Store. Open TESTFLIGHT and follow the on-screen instructions, then tap Continue. Then do one of the following. If you have a TESTFLIGHT invitation code, tap Redeem from the top right. Enter your TESTFLIGHT invitation code and confirm redeem. If you have a public link, open the link and tap Start Testing. When the app's page opens in TESTFLIGHT, tap Accept, then Install. Open the beta app, then enter your Apple ID and password and tap OK. See what the developer wants you to test and tap Next, then Start Testing. App developers typically send TESTFLIGHT invitation codes or links to select internal and external beta testers via email. However, there are multiple other sources from where you can access TESTFLIGHT invitation codes and links even if you didn't officially receive such an email, as you will see below. Reach out to app developers directly if you are interested in testing a specific app. You can reach out to the app developer directly on social media platforms and ask if they have any TESTFLIGHT slots available. Sign up for beta testing websites if you want to test a variety of apps. You can sign up for beta testing websites like test.io, which lets you test a variety of iOS, iPadOS, and macOS apps and get compensated for it. There are many GitHub repositories, like awesome TESTFLIGHT link by Pluin that offers TESTFLIGHT public links and invitation codes. There are multiple subreddits, like r/betatest, and Twitter pages like @TESTFLIGHT, where beta testers and independent developers share TESTFLIGHT public links for many apps and games. Thank you everyone for watching. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Leave a comment down below. See you in the next one.